My name is Markus and I'm working in ZEISS since about 8 years, and I'm currently heading a business development department driving the digital transformation in ZEISS. One of the projects I'm currently involved in is establishing new digital business models in ZEISS, thinking about subscription or pay-per-use. I think in my current job, what matters the most is listening to the customers as a first point and understanding their job to be done. Secondly, being a networking guy and being very communicative, as there's so many stakeholders that we need to work with. And thirdly, actively providing and also listening to feedback in the whole team. What I appreciate most in my current job is there's the possibility to shape the digital future of an excellent company with a lot of heritage and working together with a very skilled and very professional young team. I already experienced digital shapers in the past, and it was a very great experience.